Dura Pump are pump specialists, so we service, repair and maintain pumps and pumping systems. Due to our growth and expansion of the business, we needed to move premises. So we've got this larger warehouse compared to what we had. There's a big open space, which meant that we needed to segregate areas.
They had a workshop within a warehouse, so big warehouse space, workshop in the corner, maybe some 8 or 9 meters squared.
In the winter when it's very cold, temperatures drop in the warehouse, we've got engineers working within the workshop, so we need to be able to heat that area. But then also the debris and dirt that could spread out into the rest of the warehouse from the works and operations that happen in the workshop.
When we're talking to an existing client or a new client about a new screen, we always like to come and see what they're trying to do, what their objectives are. We came down, we had a look, we discussed the objectives, the challenges they had.
And came up with the option of having a PVC top, steel base to the bottom, which gave us a good dividing area, segregating the whole workshop and warehouse.
A Durascreen was a really suitable fit for purpose solution here. It met all of their criteria, but it was just so much quicker and less disruptive to install than a lot of the other options that they had open to them at the time.
So part of the design phase DBC came up with was to create 2 booths within the actual main workshop area. One is a spray booth area to contain dust and fumes which we could work our extraction system into. And the second area was a clean area for our electrical and programming controls engineer, where he's doing programming. We would need some quiet time, but also a very clean area. The installation process was absolutely great. DBC came in, the engineer arrived in the morning, set up the steel walls, then obviously set up the PVC curtaining. Within 2 days, effectively, the job was basically done. It's made an ideal area for the engineer who works, or engineers who work in the workshop, giving them a smart, clear working space that is designated for the workshop.
So a Durascreen is completely customizable, and in our discussions with Dura Pump, we advised them to have a curtain in the opening.
We chose a curtain because predominantly through winter, the curtain will remain closed apart from material movement, so it's the most cost-effective option. So the overall project from start to finish, right from the initial inquiry, right through to completion and sign-off, has been a fantastic experience for Dura Pump working at DBC. Done a great job. The whole process has been seamless.